Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun.
But not that good, you know? Should I do it now? Anybody have any engagement rings or earrings or phones they want to have me hold? All of my boyfriends gave me engagement rings, so here you go. Oh wait.
How many boys are engaged tonight?
What do you mean? Just Hank. Oh right. Shoot. Sorry. You guys know Maggie's engaged to Hank and they're gonna have an August wedding?
It's going to be an 11-minute video.
I call him Henry.
It's already a minute. So, yes. Just waiting for Keith
What
at
in the
this
hell
point.
is happening? What's happening? What is happening? Are you filming yet?
Oh, yes.
It's a good day to die! In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. May the force of whatever to be with you all.
That's
when you say it also with you.
That's a Star Wars reference.
Da 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 na 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 na. Feeling strong now. Feeling.
So,
What's after that?
That's all the words.
Feeling strong now. Feeling strong now. Feeling strong.
so where are you going to go?
Swim once around the iceberg.
No. Go in, get out, quick.
I just want to. Glasses?
Yep.
Look at those cute little swim trunks my son bought yesterday at the thrift shop. You just go one at a time like that. On your mark. Let go. That ain't bad. Ain't bad. Can't wait to see the slow, painful death. Oh! Ouch! Ouch! She makes it look so pretty. Mom's applauding.
Oh, hush.
You're not able to do that.
They're all alive. As opposed to me, I would be out there dead. Willie, how was it?
Great.
Don't pull back
bad.
anything.
It feels good now.
Yeah. Do it again.
No.
No. Do what you want.